We're doing our Kahlúa pig in the ground. Here it goes. It's my husband.
I'm gonna have to go show him how to move it now.
So, Mom, we decided we're gonna stay out here all night. We're gonna camp, okay? We're gonna get a tent and we're all gonna stay here.
Okay. Good luck with that. I'm not staying. I'm not. You already got attacked by bugs.
Hello. What if I just did this?
Oh, she was?
A long time. I seen her.
I can't hear her anyways, so.
Getting ready for our Hawaiian feast at church. So excited.
Yeah, they're going. It's the kitchen on the
I'll show you guys more videos to come.
See all right there? Yeah, it's still open.